What's up, pure structure traders and YouTube? Welcome back for another London market analysis for you guys. Today is December 15th, 2021 here in Hawaii, and will be December 16th, 2021 in London. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Give you guys some of the levels we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. Again, we do have a morning market analysis for those who trade the US session. Make sure you guys check out those videos as well, as we live stream that for you guys an hour before the US session open, giving you guys some ideas behind where buyers and sellers will step in. Other than that, we do have tutorial videos. If you guys are struggling with trading or want to know a little bit more about trading, we got those up for you guys as well on YouTube. Check those out. More will be coming for you guys. Any videos or any ideas that you guys have, make sure you pop them in here on YouTube for us. We'll go ahead and make some content for that. But other than that, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, pretty decent movement that we've had so far this week. We went down, tried to pull back. Again, we were somewhere right around these 36 to 40s. Couldn't break that level, and then started to pull down. Got all the way to about 46.05, a little bit lower than that, and then pushed up from there. And you can see we came all the way back up. 47.07 is where we're currently at. I think we may end up trying to retest these 47.2275s. So we'll see what we're looking at, and if we get that opportunity to get up there and then continue higher for the end of the week. So for S&P 500, 46.9725, that is a key area of support. Nice bounce from that area. Maybe getting a nice pullback into that area could continue us bullish from there. So definitely keep an eye out for that. Nice little peak right there that we could get support on top. Below that, 46.7950, and then below that, you can see the levels kind of are similar. 46.56, 40.25 to about 36.75, and then below that, 23 to about 18, where we kind of stalled as resistance today. That is our support down below. So right now, bullish. We want to see this continuation of the bullish trend that we see right now. Looking for this to break 22 and continue higher lows and higher highs for this bullish trend that we're going to end up seeing if we do get that to happen. So again, for those who want the long idea, right now is a good opportunity to continue this higher as we bounce from main support of 97.25. So keep an eye out for that. Above this here, you could see a retest and through 22, then a break, a retest, and then a continuation. That could be your next long idea. For those who want that short, 47.22 is the next area. 47.2275 is the next area of resistance that you could be looking out for. Maybe a nice double top there to try to fade this bullish run that you see. But if it can't break through 97, make sure you get out of that trade, and then maybe look for a trend trade to continue this long run. Let's take a look at a smaller chart here on S&P for you all. So taking a look a little bit closer, you can see multiple touches, nice double bottom right here, and nice V bottom right there for a continuational move. And you can see it's starting to try to gradually pull up. Now resistance a little bit closer is going to be right around these 11 to 12s. So just keep that in mind, as it may try to retest here, fail, get a double top, and then try to retest the bottom again. But again, that's your two areas. A little bit closer resistance, 47.12. Above that, 47.2275. And then support underneath, again, 97.25, 79.50. So you can look out for that. If the market breaks down below, it could catch the support here for a nice double bottom and continuation. So a lot of different opportunities we can have, but definitely want to trade on the side of the trend. Right now, that's a bullish trade idea. So you want to look for those long opportunities, but where the support is. Let's move over into gold. Take a look at what we got here on the gold charts. So gold, kind of similar movement. You can see we were trying to move down. We couldn't break those 66s and finally broke back above it, hitting those 1783s. Next level of resistance above that, 1787.1, 91, and then 92.5. Bullish, just like S&P 500, but we are waiting for this zone. You can see a zone between 75 0.3 to about 77.8. That's our zone of support. So if we get in here and we find that support happening, look for a continuation of the long opportunities or this bullish trend that we see happening right now. I do want to see a pullback. So for those who want this fade, we're right up against resistance of 83. So just keep in mind, failing to get through that level could bring us all the way back to support here. And then definitely you want to see buyers step in. If not, it will fall to its next levels of support. 1770.8, 1766.0, and then below that is your supports underneath. So that could be our ideas for gold as well as we get into the London session. So we'll keep an eye out for that. But I do want to see a pullback down into support first instead of trying to go long here. That's very risky. So I'm going to leave that alone. Moving over into crude oil. Let's take a look at what we got on crude oil. Crude oil, similar to S&P 500 and also gold. So we are in a bullish run again. Resistance here, 71.90 to about 72.02. Strong area of resistance. I do want to see this thing maybe retest this low right here, hold that 71.46, and then get a nice move to the upside. But you can see we held it twice already. This may end up moving without us, but I'd like to see a nice pullback somewhere around here and then get the shot to the upside. Holding that resistance 71.90 to about 72.02 could actually try to bring this deeper down, meaning getting us down into 71.10 and then below that next level 70.67. But that would be a fade idea, so just keep that in mind. Right now we're bullish. You want to continue with this trend idea. That means look for the long opportunity up into these 71.90s to 72.02, above that 72.29, 72.60, and then 72.98 are the next levels of resistance above. So I do like this long idea right here. So we're definitely going to look out to see the pullback into 71.46. If we hold it, that is definitely a good idea for our long opportunity. So we'll keep that in mind as we get into the London session. Could be a great trading idea there if we're right at that level as we draw into the London session. But that wraps it up for S&P 500 gold and also oil. Again, if you guys do like these videos, please go and smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Again, we do have the market analysis live for the US session. So if you guys do trade that session, make sure you check us out there. Definitely helpful when you get into the US session open to see where buyers and sellers are going to come in. Other than that though, that wraps it up. Make sure if you guys continue to trade with discipline and patience, trade well. You guys take care. Have a great night.